Hello guys! Magandang hapon sa inyong lahat. This is your guys Mamasagri channel, a faith healer, also matarder. So ngayong hapon na to, tignan natin ang sabihin sa iyo ng ating mga gabay. So this is a weekly gabay for the month of May 15 hanggang May 21 for the sign of Gemini. So Gemini, welcome sa my channel. Ano kayang messages, advices, and spirit guides ang ating masasagap for today's video? Kanina kayang energy or kagarapan sa buhay ng mga Gemini ang ating mahagilap. So guys, this reading is a general reading lamang. Hindi lahat makaka-resonate, kunin lamang po makaka-relate sa inyo. And comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. And ihirap ko siyang bell for more videos at dirkas maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking channel, lalo-lalo na ang hindi nag-skip ng ads, so ay pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapalisiksik, liglig umapaw na biyayang manang balik sa inyo. So let's see guys, now what is the message sa inyo ng ating angel spirit for the sign of Gemini? So let's see and watch this. Angel Spirit, please give information po. Ano kayo sabihin sa inyo ng ating mga baraha? There's a 5 of coins. Some of you guys na nakakaranas ka ng financial crisis or financial loss na maaaring nagigipit ka at nahihirapan ka dito. Some of you nananakit daw ang tuhod mo, braso mo. Now, of course, kalahati ng mukha. Parang dito half ng mukha mo. Na mag-ingat ka dito, na-stress ka. No? And this is something the Three of Cups with a celebration. Unti-unti ka na rin daw makakaranas sa mga celebration. No? Happiness. And there's the lovers. No? Ibig sabihin magkakaroon ka ng asawa o may asawa ka na. Or either there's something in you love. Or either maaaring meron ka ng jowa, maaaring magkaroon ka ng higher level commitment. Additional messages. And there's a 5 of Cups para something disappointment. Na may mga panghihinayang pagsisisi na kailangan mong pakakatandaan, no? Na para hindi na maulit yung ganong scenario. No? May mga ano ka dito, realizations. No? May realizations ka dito. Additional messages. And this is something guys with an effort. Maging mature ka and being grounded. Sa mga decision or gagawin mong actions, kailangan pag-iisipan mo mabuti para hindi ka magsisi sa huli. No? And of course, you are being mature enough and being grounded. And if there's a 4 of Cups, just re-evaluate or analyze. No? Ito yung sinasabi ko kanina, pag-iisipan mo mabuti yung bawat decisions mo, bawat actions mo. No? Huwag kang masyadong pala decision. What is the additional messages? There's a 5 of Pentacles represented with a Devil card. Oh my God! May gumagawa ng hindi maganda sa'yo, kaya marami nananakit sa katawan mo. No? Para hindi ka makapagtrabaho. No? And there's an 8 of Cups. Now, meron ditong third party na hindi pa nakaka-move on. Maaaring siya yung gumagawa sa'yo. No? And there's the lover service of the 10 of Wands. Siya talaga nagbibigay ng burden sa'yo dati mong asawa. Oh my God. O dati mong karelasyon. And there's a death card. No? Kailangan mo tong tapusin agad. No? Kailangan mo magpagamot, kailangan mo magpagaling dahil kumbaga lahat ng bagay magkukulap sa'yo. No, mawawala. And there's a Justicia, there's a Justice card. No, there's something powerful God with the Emperor. No, maging mature ka and magkaroon ka ng matibay na pananampalataya sa ating poong may kapal at may makukuha kang Justicia. No, there's something balance. Kailangan mo maging balance ha for medication and of course for spiritual. Hindi puro ka pa-check up, puro ka gamot. No, kasi hindi nagagamot ng medication ang spiritual po ha, paalala ko lang. Kaya kung umiinom ka ng gamot at hindi ka gumagaling, alam mo na yon. There's a 2 of Wands by choices. Piliin mo yung mga bagay na makakatulong lang sa'yo. Yung mga bagay na alam mo magsiserve sa'yo. No, and there's a 4 of Wands. Sabi ko na nga ba eh. No, there's something guys na parang about dito, kasal kayo. No, or either may relasyon kayo, may anak kayo. No, there's a 2 of Cups, no? Hindi pa siya nakaka-move on kahit may sa kanya-kanya na kay pamilya. No, and there's something the 7 of Wands, protection at pangalagaan mo yung sarili mo dito. No? Or either may protection ka na, it's good for you. No, there's another one, so unti-unti ka na rin dyan makakalaya. No, makakawala ka na dyan sa negatibo. And there's a page of Cups, listen to intuition, listen to your gut feeling. No, makinig ka sa nararamdaman mo dahil hindi kayo liligaw niyan. May hinala ka na eh. No, there's a tower moment for major changes. Basta pag-isipan mabuti, huwag ka tumatanggap ng pagkain na galing sa ibang tao. No? Some of you, inuunti-unti ka. Nangangayayat ka. No? Kasi marami nananakit sa'yo eh. No? Tina-target ka rin ito sa ugat. No? Para hindi dumalo yung blood mo. Siyempre, pag hindi dumalo na maayos yung blood mo, hindi na circulate na maayos, no? It's either tumaas yung hemoglobin mo or yung ano mo, yung creatinine mo, no? Tumaas. What is additional messages? And this is something, guys, been a Knight of Coin. No, magkaroon ka ng security pagdating sa finances. Pangalagaan, protectionan mo ito. No? So, let's see what is additional messages. And there's a Wheel of Fortune. There's a turning back. No, wag kang mag-alala. Magiging maayos ka. Magiging maayos pang kalusugan at kalagayan mo dito. No, dahil iikot tong kapalaran na to. There's a King of Coins, something security. No, magkaroon ka ng seguridad pagdating sa kalusugan at finances mo. Para may nasense ako ditong hinahabol siya. Para may hinahabol siya sa iyo or may hinahabol siya na baaring kumbaga baka magabul ka, ganto ganyan, no? And there's a King of Swords, putulin mo na yung mga bagay na alam mong hindi nagsiserve sa iyo. No, kailangan wala kang bibigay na kahit kanong communications, no? No contact. And there's a Nine of Pentacles with a blossoming. May potential ka para maging masagana pa pamumuhay mo. And there's a Two of Swords, there's a decision that you need to make. No, kailangan mo mag-decision dito. No, at maliliwanagan ka. No, may mga bagay na magliliwanag sa'yo. Maaring kahit naka-blindfold ka, nararamdaman mo na may kakaiba. No? Sa nararamdaman mo at nararamdaman mo. So, let's see what is the additional messages for finances and career, love life, at kalusugan. Alam na natin yan, so let's watch this. Okay, so let's see about naman tayo sa finances and career. So, there is something, the Seven of Swords. Mag-ingat ka, there's a cheating lying on you. Some of you, baka ma-scam ka, baka maloko ka. Mag-ingat po kayo sa pagkakatiwalaan nyo, ha? And there's a Chariot card, maraming paparating pang pagbabago pagdating sa resource of income mo in any matter po about sa finances, no? And this is something the full cup for leap of faith. Na magtiwala at maniwala ka sa ating pong may kapal. No? Magiging maayos din ang kalagayan mo pagdating sa pagkakaperahan. No? Maaring sunod-sunod yung kagastusan mo dito. There's a Ten of Cups, happiness. Magiging masaya at magiging maayos sa pamilya mo. There's an Empress card for revert. Na maaring akala mo buntis ka yung parang ang lumalaki yung tiyan mo. No? There's a possible na may gumagawa talaga sa'yo. And there's an Empress card, guys, no? For revert. No? Ibabalik yung sigla ng buong pagkatao mo, self-love, self-care. And this is something, the Ace of Cups. No? There's something in new love. May bagong pag-ibig dito, huwag ka mag-alala na darating. Konektado rin siya tungkol sa pera. Ibig sabihin, mayroon siyang negosyo, maring it's either your boss. What is the Seven of Swords? Represent a Six of Coins. Magiging balanse na ang iyong finances. No? Magiging maayos na ang iyong pagkakaperahan. And of course, yung relasyon. No? Magiging balanse daw. And there's a Queen of Wands. Basta may confident ka, lakas ang loob mo. Lakas ang mapakiramdam mo dito. No? And there's a Temperance. No? Manatiling kalmado. Huwag kang magiging agresibo dito. And there's a Seven of Coins, something harvest moment. Aani ka rin. No? Lahat ng mga bagay na ginagawa mo, lahat ng bagay na gagawin mo, magre-reflect sa'yo. Kaya kailangan mag-ingat ka. No? And this is something, guys, with an Ace of Swords. No? There's a breakthrough. No? Magtatagumpay ka talaga dito. And this is something, guys, with a Three of Coins. No? Something collaborations. No? Communications. Ayusin mo yung pakikipag-communication at ayusin mo kayo pag-uusap. Or mayroon dito magkakaroon ng heart-to-heart conversation with your person. No? Additional messages tayo pagdating sa kalusugan mo. There is something, guys, with a high five for lesson learned. No? May mga bagay kang kailangang matutunan. No? May mga leksyon kang kailangang mapakakatandaan. And there's an Ace of Wands. No? Magkakaroon ka ng bagong proyekto, plano pagdating sa eksena na to. Huwag kang mag-isip na kung ano-ano, ha? And this is something, the Queen of Swords. Kasi pag may nalaman ka na nalaman mo na yung mangyayari, nag-iisip ka, nai-stress ka. No, linisin mo yung mga bagay na makakasira sa mental health mo. No, there's a 6 of Swords with the transition. Kailangan mo umalis dyan. No, very toxic yun na sa paligid mo. No, may malaking finances na papasok sa'yo. May malaking opportunity. No? Hindi malayo sa'yo ang pera. There's an 8 of Wands. So, there's a past communication, past moment. Magiging maganda ang kalusugan mo dito. Nga lang, kailangan mo lang talagang lumayo. No? May unhealthy environment or toxic environment. So, let's see guys, what is additional messages for magical fairy messages, advices, and of course, a pick a card, yes or no. So, let's watch this. With the magical fairy messages, represent what? With the magical fairy messages, there is an admit your true feelings to yourself. No, kailangan maging totoo ka sa sarili mo. No? And walking away. So, kailangan mong magpakalayo-layo talaga. No? Kailangan mong makalaya dyan sa unhealthy situation. Leave the unhealthy situation and enjoy the new doors that open as a result. No? And this is something easy as it. No? Stop trying so hard to control this situation. No? Huwag mong pipiliting controlling yung situation. No? Takawalan mo. No? Tumuto ka na ba talaga yung purpose mo, na ba talaga yung intention mo. Ganon. No? Huwag ka magpanggap sa sarili mo. What is a yin and yang oracle card? And there's a change. No? Unti-unti na magbabago ang sitwasyon. Kailangan mo lang i-encourage yung sarili mo na lumaban, magtiwala. There's something nurture with the purpose, no? Alamin mo kung ano ba talaga yung intention mo, ano ba talaga yung purpose mo sa buhay. And this is something in new beginning and action. Kailangan mo lang kumilos, no? Kung gusto mo mabago ang kapalaran mo, mabago ang ikot ng landasin mo, kailangan mong baguhin ang sistema mo. What is the synchronicities represent what? And there's a winter. No, ngayong winter season, maaaring masagot na lahat ng katanungan mo. And there's a change. No, unti-unti talaga magbabago to. No, there's something, a big transformation. And there's an eagle. Now, some of you, there's a messenger, a message coming in. And there's a new home. No? Meron dito about sa tahanan. About sa inyong bahay. No? Na maaaring makabili ka ng bahay o meron dyang, kumbaga, nakakapasok sa bahay yung toxic. What is the raw message for Mystic Love Oracle deck? And there's a home foundation. See? Ibig sabihin, swerte ang inyong bahay. Nga lang, marami ng toxic na nakakapasok. And there's a breakup. Some of you naghiwalay na kayong asawa mo. And there's an one night stand. Umiwas kayo dito guys, no? Maaaring mapasok kayo sa isang tukso. No? So let's see what is an angel's number. Represent what? The angel's number represent 888 with a personal power. Wow! No? 88 is something money, guys. All that is good, pleasant in your life will be multiplied. Angels are sending the number to reassure you of the prosperity and well-being ahead. Your surroundings will treat you with admiration and respect you for a greater good. Na magiging maganda talaga ito ang kapalaran mo. Na magiging maganda ang sitwasyon mo dito, magiging masagana ka. No? Gamitin mo to ng tama at wasto para mabago na ang ikot ang kapalaran mo. There's a spiritual abundance na nag-uumapaw ang kasaganahan mo dito. So let's see what is the Money Move Oracle deck. With the Money Move Oracle deck, represent what? Represent guys with investment. Now, some of you guys na may investment dito, maging wise ka, no, for something investment. No, investment made will have positive result that will bring prosperity. Na magiging maganda dyan at magiging maayos at magiging maginawa ka dyan. Kailangan pumili ka lang ng taong pagkakatiwalang pagdating dyan sa investment. No? Madalas kasi dyan nanunay, scam not budol. Maging ingat po. What is the part of the light represent what? The part of the light represent with the protection. So, protection at pangalagaan mo yung sarili mo dito. No? I am divinely guided, surrounded by light and love at all times. I trust in the protection of the universe, knowing that I am safe, secure, and guided. No harm can come from me, for I walk into the light of divine protection. Alam mo sa sarili mo na walang pasok na hindi maganda sa'yo. Kung alam mo na protektado ka ng ating gabay. No? May tumutulong sa'yo para proteksyonan ka. Now, there's something, guys, with the shadow work represent what? With the shadow work represent, guys, with unseen patterns. Belief reprogramming, no? Change your thoughts, change your life. Kung di mo babaguhin yung pananaw mo at yung iniisip mo, hindi mo babago ang buhay mo. Ibig sabihin, kailangan mo babago yung perspective mo, pananaw mo sa buhay. And this is something what lies beneath with the hidden future. Ano yung mga bagay na nakatago sa hinaharap mo? Nga naman, di ba kung nakatunganga ka, kung wala kang iniintindi sa buhay, wala kang ginagawa, paano ka asenso? Diba? Kailangan bumangon ka. And already knowing the tea. Alam mo na eh. No? Alam mo na yung totoo, alam mo na yung kailangan mong gawin. No? Kumaga, hindi ka lang nagtitake ng action and decisions. Natatakot ka, nangangamba ka. What is the clarifying for life situation? Clarifying for a life situation represent what? Represent with a valley of shadow. Step into the enveloping valley of shadow. Here fear are faced at the courage is forged in dimly lit path. No? Kumaga, sinasabi dito, guys, no? Kailangan mong harapin. No? At kailangan mong humarap dyan sa kinakatakutan mo. No? Sa lahat ng bagay na nagbibigay ng pangamba sa'yo. Dahil hindi ka magiging matagumpay kung uunahin mo yung takot. Kailangan mong harapin yan. And of course, there's something clarifying for love situation. Clarifying for love situation represent what? Represent, guys, with turbulence. Heal and resolve conflicts with kindness and not eager. No, wag mo unahin yung galit mo. No, wag mong pangunahan ng inis. No? Kung magagalit, pigati, or either ngit-ngit, hindi mo masusolusyonan yung nararamdaman mo at hindi ka hihilom mula sa mga kabiguan kung yung galit na hindi mo papakawalan. Diba? So guys, let's see what is the yes or no pick a card. So let's watch this. Okay, let's see. There's a yes or no pick a card. So let's start tayo with the number 1. Ito yung magiging sagot mo sa tanong mo. And of course, kung sino nakapili na number 1, ito yun. And there's a yes. You get a lucky break. It's a successful venture. No? Kumbaga sinasabi nyo, nakuha mo ang tamang pagkakataon. No? At magiging matagumpay ka sa larangan o gusto mong makamit. No? At yung oportunidad na nakuha mo. No, tama yan. That's good. And number 2, there's something, a yes again. Follow the guidance, it lead to truth. No? Makinig ka daw, no? At sundin mo ang gabay. At dadaling ka niya, no? Sa katotohanan at karapat dapat para sa iyo. Number 3, there's something no. No able to proceed close to negotiation. No, wag kang mag-proceed about just sa negotiation about sa investment. Umiwas ka, tigilan mo. May scam ka. No, lulukohin ka dyan. Wag kang mag-proceed or wag mo ilalaban. So guys, this is a weekly gabay for the month of May 15 hanggang May 21 for the sign of Gemini. So Gemini, maraming salamat po for this wonderful reading. So once again, this reading is a general reading namang hindi na't makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. Because don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. And hit notification bell for more videos update. Kasi maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking channel. Lalong-lalo na ang hindi nag-skip ng ads away pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapal siksik na gumapo na biyayang manang balik sa inyo. Maraming salamat guys, at see you in the next video. Bye-bye and babush!